Hi, welcome to another story time. Today, we're going to read some bird books and then make a bird craft. Our first story is North, South, East, West. Okay, there we go. Once there was a little bird all tucked into her nest. It was almost time for her to fly away. Her mother taught her to ride the wind and to fly above and below the storms and to glide on the strength of the wind. And then they would fly home to their nest in the sycamore tree, and she would sing her a song. And the little bird would ask, "When I fly away, which is best? North, south, east, or west?" Her mother curved her head under her wing and put her other wing over her little bird. At the hush of the evening fell, the crickets sang their cricket song. And the little bird dreamed from the warmth of the nest of the north and the south and the east and the west. In the bright new light of the rising sun, she stretched her little wings and flew. And she flew on the wind to the north, to the land of ice and snow, where everything was white. But it was too cold for the little bird to rest or to build her nest, so she flew around the North Pole and headed south. Till the sea was blue and the trees were green and the thickets were full of flowers. But it was too hot there to build a nest, so the little bird rested, and then she headed west. Over the mountains and the rivers and plains to where the red sun sank into the sea. She had flown to the north and to the south and to the west, but which direction did she like best? She sat on a rock by the edge of the sea, and she thought of her home in the sycamore tree. She had flown to the north and to the south and the west, but the east was home. So she stretched her wings and flew into the rising sun. Over the high mountains, over the deep canyons, over the great forests and plains she flew, till she came to where the land was soft and green with rain, and the sycamore's trees grew tall. In the spring, when the wild bird sings in the wild green forests of the east, the little bird, a big bird now, sang to her eggs the song her mother had sung to her, till her little birds cracked out of their shells, and they opened their beaks and said, "When we fly away, which is best? North, south, east, or west?" Our next book is Bird, Balloon, Bear. It was Bird's first day in the new forest, and he was looking for a friend. It wasn't long before he spotted someone. But Bird was too shy to say hello. When he finally felt brave enough, it was too late. Bear already had a friend. "Hi," said Bear. There was no reply, but Bear didn't seem to mind. The friends spent all their time together. They played, they danced, they watched the sunset. Bird wished he could play too. Then one day, the wind carried Bear's friend away. Up, up, up. The bird flew as fast as he could, but the wind blew and the branches swayed and pop! "Hi, I'm Bear. Hi, I'm Bird." The friends played, the friends danced, and they watched the sunset together. Our next one's called Up Tall and High. I am tall. I am tall. I am tall. I am tall. You are not tall. I may not be tall. Poof! But I am not small. I can go high. I can go high. I can go high. I cannot go high. Why? Because I cannot fly. There, now you can fly. Yes, now I can go very high. I am up. You are up. Yes, I am up. And you are down. Flap, 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 flap. Now I am up too. Crack. You should have stayed down. We will help you up. The end. Today we're going to make a bird, almost like the one in the first story of north, south, east, and west. So what you need to make a bird is one big teardrop, two little teardrops for the wings, and a triangle for his tail, and a little triangle for his beak. And then what you do is just glue it together. Oh, you take the big teardrop for the body and glue on the triangle for his, the big triangle for his tail. Take the two teardrops for his wings, add a little triangle for his beak, and add an eye. Enjoy making your bird. Have fun. Bye-bye.